Hi, this is Joe from howtoformanllc.org, and I'm going to show you how to form an LLC in the state of New Hampshire. Now, the first thing that you're going to do, if you're watching this on YouTube, you want to click on the link that's in the description of this page, and so you can catch up with us. And we want to scroll down to the New Hampshire LLC Search link. Now, the reason why we're clicking on this link is because the number one reason why LLCs are rejected at the state level is because the LLCs had the same name as another one that already exists. So you want to make sure that you do a search here of whatever name that you want to look up, and then once you find the name that you want, you go back and we can go to the first step. Now, the first step in New Hampshire to form an LLC, you must fill out a New Hampshire Certificate of Formation, and this form is the official application for an LLC in New Hampshire. And here the state will give you the 11 steps to avoid rejection. But really all you have to do is just follow the steps and the name of the limited liability company, type whatever it is there, the nature of the primary business or purposes are, state what you do, the name of the company's registered agent. Now, if you don't know what a registered agent is a representative of the LLC. So it can be the owner. It's just where legal notices are going to be sent to. So, for example, at the end of every year, the state will ask for you to file again what's called an annual report, and they're going to send it to this person. So you want to make sure that whether this be your attorney or your accountant, or even yourself, you just want to make sure that this is the right address and right person that you select. The latest date on which the limited liability company is to dissolve is for this is more for companies that will come into the state of New Hampshire and say build a house and they're only going to be in there for 6 months. Then you'd put a date in here. Otherwise, you just leave it blank, or you write perpetual. The management of the limited liability company, blank, vested in a manager or managers. This is how many managers are there going to be, and if there's none, just write 0 if you're going to manage it. And you want to put your signature here, printer type name, member in the LLC world means owner. So just when you put title here, if you're the owner, you just put your name and then member. And then here's a second form that you're going to have to fill out as well. It's the addendum to business organization and registration forms, and you're just going to have to fill this all out. It's just pretty standard stuff. And then what you're going to do after that is you're going to get a check for $100 and write payable to New Hampshire Secretary of State, and you want to send it to the address down here. And that's it. That's how you form an LLC in New Hampshire. If you're looking to open up a bank account, though, you will need to apply for an EIN number. This is going to be the tax ID number for your company. If you just click on here, you can see that this is the IRS's apply online. This is what you want to hit. And it's free, believe it or not. It's really simple, and it takes you about 5 minutes. And it shouldn't even say apply, it should say get, because you get it, it's instantaneous. You don't really apply for it. I've never heard of anyone get rejected. But so that you want to get while you're waiting for your LLC to come back from the state. And the last thing, the LLC operating agreement. If you have more than one member, you want to make sure that you get one of these, because the state will ask for who the owners are, but the state has no idea what your business agreement is, and so you want to make sure that you have this so that to avoid any partnership disruptions in the near future. And that's it. That's pretty much all you need to know for an LLC in New Hampshire.